Old can and again 5 liters. But the market prove well now. We are milling no 4 liters without groove. Because measurement in the here now 10 grams to 5 liters. Say 10 grams, say 100 grams. So it's assumed that 10 of this will And when you are stirring this thing, in here, I got to ring it for the next 45 minutes. So that hand where the pan, wire, which I hang with time, here no got hang up the man, I can't go. Okay, I can't go. So that I'm not going to be a hairy child. Spoon, would you know they are not? Or you have 10 grams. They will come on their mail like this. You have 5 grams. This is 10 grams. It's not advisable eating aka. It's not advisable. That's why you put small water. Here, you see your first. First is the food that is able to use this measurement time again now. After eating, since I never who best we are using what we have. This big one. Look at that. Yeah. So we now use 10 grams for each one. 10 grams for each one. Cover me that what? Cross line. Yeah. The charcoal in the evening by 6:37. I get here one close to the edge to one close to this point, so that I generate your heat. Part of the heat will go to the middle. Then the other side, part of the heat will come to the middle. That saturates the environment. I wish I had scale here and I would have scaled it.
How did you feel in that? What did you win the national building?
I'm a rush here.
Cooking on only been 3 weeks.
Easter is fast approaching.
Jesus.
So if we can...
That's what I was... That's exactly what I was telling these guys here. Anybody buys a Condia now is going to cheat on us. Because Easter is
just by the doorstep. My great farmers, viewers, I want to introduce myself, Tunde Samson by name, and I'm in JLL farm. We are in the poultry section now. I want to use this opportunity and privilege to bring to the notice of farmers, especially those in the poultry section, that you can do wonderful. And the whole thing lies on a secret. Meanwhile, I'm representing the chief consultant, Dr. Mwachukwu Ernest, on this project. So far, we stocked these birds on the 2nd of February. And today is 17th of February. And I want to assure you that there's a great difference. Except somebody tells you that these birds are 2 weeks, you won't believe it. And I want to show you, this is the bird we're talking about. Just 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks. No medication, no type of vaccination. Then there's a secret, the AAC nutrients. This is a secret from day one till today. I encourage every farmer to go ahead. As many that are lamenting, complaining on the high rate of mortality, I want to assure you that with this is the result of what you're going to get. Nothing comes short of it. As you can see here, this is 250 bags stocked in. 250 bags. And I want to prove to you that this made it possible. Still 250. Casualty may come in, but it will not be as a result of this, maybe as a result of accident, which is inevitable. But by grace, you can still take care of that. So I still emphasize that if you want to stock your pet, go straight and make inquiries how to use this. With AAC nano nutrients, you will get the best results, and you never have any cause to cry again. Mortality will be a story of the past, and victory and productivity will be the result. Thank you very much.